Hi folks, Small Designs here, and this is part 5 of the Hobby Boss 1/32 scale B-24D Liberator build. So it is coming along, and whoa, that looks yellow. But no, it's not. Don't worry guys, that is the correct color of interior chromate green or chromate yellowish green. It's just the way the background is picking it up because I have this the table flipped over just so we can see this a bit easier instead of the blue. But I'm sure the comments will light up saying, well, that looks horrible, but no, it's just the way the lights are picking this up. I have a lot of light in my studio here, and the camera likes to play tricks there, guys, so you don't have to worry about the comments saying that looks horrible, but do what you will. Anyway, we've got some more work, as you see, done to the plane. It's kind of like a carbon copy of the other side of the plane, right? For the waist gunners anyway, but instead of a fire extinguisher, we got the first aid kit, as you've seen in the last video. But Master Details comes up with some of these cool little sets, as I mentioned before, so I installed them there. I got this piece here installed. Now, I got this piece right here, which will go in, I think, right there, actually. I really don't know what this is. I've seen a few pictures on the internet, you know, of people taking pictures of this plane when they go through it, and it's just off to the side. If you know what this is, please let me know in the comments. I don't really know the B-24 all that well. I really don't know what this is, and it looks green in pictures, but I'd sure like to know what this is and might help me paint it better. But so if you know what that is, please let me know. It goes right there in the plane. So I'll leave that out for now. And then, of course, we're starting some of the pipe work in the plane. That's just using a darker green color, and then I would do like a kind of a wash with it, with the chromate yellow green, just to give it some, you know, some depth. I do still have those imitation lights to put on. I was going to put them on, and then I'm still thinking, am I doing a stand, or am I doing this on its wheels? And those look pretty brittle, so I don't want to knock them off. And of course, you're gonna have to decide whether you're gonna run a stand in one of these bomb bays, most likely a back one, right? You're not gonna run it here because the weight or the counterbalance of the plane is somewhere right here. So decisions, right? So that's kind of where we're at with this right now, is, you know, deciding what we're gonna do. I'm going to show you in a minute the detail of what you can see in the plane when it's kind of put together. But I've been getting a ton of questions about the wings of this plane, like the dihedral. Has it been fixed with this one? I also been getting questions, or basically statements saying, I will not build this plane because of the dihedral. And you know what? Yeah, I get it, right? The B-24 has been known, or basically famous for the wings, and no, it has not been fixed with this plane. See if I can get a better view here, guys. You can see the outline. I'll show you the outline first, I suppose, of right here. Now, if this was a true B-24, this should be curved like that, if that makes sense. Like this piece here should be like, I don't know, I don't even know, my hand doesn't even dip that way. Anyway, you get it, right? This piece here should be down like this. The B-24 is very famous, kind of like that, for its wing, right? And no, this model does not depict that at all. It's very straight, and when the wing sits on, it'll basically follow those lines. It's not a deal breaker for me, guys, right? It's just not. It's still going to produce a beautiful model so far. Right, I haven't put the two halves together. It's not like HK where you put the two halves together and they don't fit. At least not yet. It's a straight wing as far as I know, right? Let's see here. But it's not going to be a deal breaker for me. And no, I am not going to mess with this wing to try and bend it or melt it or curve it down. I don't want to wreck it. I don't want to chance it. I only got one of these kits. And I don't know how much. I mean, this is coming out of the East. So I don't want to risk not getting another one of these kits, right? So The B-24J was a straight wing, let's just call it, and the B-24D kit is a straight wing too, so no, it has not been fixed. So you can see in the box right here even, the picture is correct. It looks correct anyway. See how it goes down? It does not do that. So that, if that answers your question. So if the dihedral is a deal breaker for you, then so be it, but it wasn't for me. Because this is the first time in my model building career that I've ever seen a 1/32 B-24, and I don't know if I'll ever see one again. Now, I'll just hastily put this on. So you're asking about, will you see the details? No, if you close the window. And yes, if you keep it open. Anyhow. Man, it goes together fine when you're not filming. But when you're filming, it goes, no, I'm not going to go together. All right, see if I can get some light in there. See? So, if you're viewing this model, see if we get some light. You are definitely going to see a lot of detail. Let's see if we can get some more light in there. That's so hard. I'll do a better video when, as time goes, when you're, when this thing's glued together. But you get the idea, right? You're seeing everything in there. Ah, there we go. Once we get the 50 cals in there, it'll look even better. So yeah, you're seeing a lot. And then of course, once we get the nose all put together, especially with this plane here, right? Let's see if I can somewhat hold this. Once we get the nose on, you're really going to see a lot. So yeah, hopefully that was somewhat informative. But it's pretty much just a carbon copy here. More details to go in here. Probably a few in here. And then, of course, a few in the tail. And then, boom, close it up. So there we go, guys. Hopefully that was a bit informative. A little probably shaky and messy. But trying to do my best with one hand here. But thanks so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any more questions, please let me know. And again, I do have a question about that piece right there. Chances are you're probably not going to see it because of where it's situated. But I like to be as accurate as I can. So thanks so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And we'll talk to you soon. Bye.